Hi guys and welcome to Natural Smart Cures. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my best proven ways and top foods that boost testosterone. These simple tips will definitely help you increase the hormone in your body, and allow you to put your night activities on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering 1. Healthy foods. 2. Exercise. 3. Natural testosterone boost. Okay, let's dive in. You may ask, how do I achieve high testosterone levels? Tip number 1, healthy foods. Men have some specific needs when it comes to diet, and many studies suggest that eating the right foods can keep the prostate healthy and testosterone levels balanced. Onions and garlic are your allies in the kitchen and in the bedroom. I may sound mad, but studies have proven that these two help you make more and better sperms. Both raise levels of a hormone that triggers your body to make testosterone. And both have high levels of natural plant chemicals called flavonoids, which safeguard your leal swimmers against damage. Pile up your proteins. Of course, protein is the basic bodybuilding food, and in this case testosterone builder too. Lean beef, chicken, fish, and eggs are some of your options. Tofu, nuts, and seeds have protein, too. Try to get about 5 to 6 ounces per day, although the ideal amount for you depends on your age, sex, and how active you are. When you don't eat enough of these foods, your body makes more of a substance that binds with testosterone, leaving you with less testosterone available to do its job. Another crucial ingredient is vitamins. Fatty fish kinds like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich with vitamin D. It's a natural testosterone booster because it plays a crucial role in hormone production. To boost testosterone and reap the other benefits of vitamin D, try to get regular exposure to sunlight or take around 3000 U of a vitamin D3 supplement daily. The next category is magnesium and zinc. Magnesium blocks a protein from binding with testosterone. The result? More of the usable man stuff floating around in your blood. Spinach is packed with magnesium. Almonds, cashews, and peanuts are good sources, too. Consume more oysters. There's a reason why these mollusks are known for being great for fertility. They have almost 5 times your recommended daily dose of zinc. This mineral helps your body make testosterone. You can also get it in beef and beans. And it's often added to breakfast cereal. Zinc also boosts your immune system. Tip number 2, exercise. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to prevent many lifestyle-related diseases. Interestingly, it can also boost your testosterone. Build your strength by exercising routinely. When it comes to workout, most men think about Arnold Schwarzenegger. No, keep fit and focus your workouts on your muscles. Hit the weight room at the gym, or get a trainer to help you with a routine on the exercise machines. Cardio has its benefits, but it doesn't boost your testosterone as strength training can. Be careful to not overdo it. Too much exercise can take your testosterone level in an unpredestined direction. Tip number 3, natural testosterone boosters. Get enough sleep. Your body turns up the testosterone when you fall asleep. The levels peak when you start dreaming and stay there until you wake up. But daytime testosterone levels can drop up to 15% when you get only 5 hours of sleep. Aim for 7 or 8 hours every night, even if it means a shift in your schedule or a limit to your late-night plans. Use glass, not plastic. Be careful about what you store your leftovers in. Bisphenol A (BPA) is a chemical found in some plastics, cans, and other food packaging. It can mess with your hormone-making process. After 6 months, men who worked around BPA every day had lower testosterone levels than men who didn't. Back off the beer. It takes only 5 days of regular drinking for your testosterone level to drop. Alcohol may throw off many parts of your body's hormone system. Heavy drinkers can have shrunken testes, thin chest and beard hair, and higher levels of the female hormone estrogen. I hope you learned something helpful in this video today. Please don't forget to subscribe for more cool stuff. Which new technique do you want to try it first? Let me know in the comment below the top foods that boost testosterone. Peace.